So it is my pleasure and honor to hand over to you
Sure, madam.
the instruments of the office of the Minister for Security, and I know you are going to do a damn good job for Uganda so that we can maintain the peace and security that the NRM ushered in, headed by President Museveni. Karibu sana.
Yeah.
You know, in security, you have to be brief. But if you start spreading out so and so, so and so, you waste time. So everybody in their respective capacities. First of all, I want to take this opportunity to thank the President for having entrusted me with this docket. You know, and it is you people. I remember when I had come on board, oh, you are a university lecturer. What do you have to do with security? And I told you, and rightly so, that security begins with you and I. And this particular docket is about information gathering. And I'm happy that there are very many Ugandans who have been able to entrust me with a lot of information which helped me to carry on diligently with my work.